Ray-Ban Meta is on. And one thing that I'm noticing is that if I have my windshield up, it can hear me, but if I have it down, like so, and if I say, "Hey Meta, stop recording," it can't hear me. So what I have to do is lift it up a bit and say, "Hey Meta, stop recording." Didn't hear it this time. So at least one thing that can happen with this is, since I've got the glasses on, I can put my visor up and it's fine, and I can put it down and it is good. The only thing is, I don't know how well the recording is.